If you're looking for somewhere to get your MacBook fixed in Pattaya, Thailand, as it's either a very old model, it's damaged, or your Apple iCare Plus cover has run out and you don't want to get robbed, or worse, the iCare assistant tells you they can't fix it as it's more than 5 years old and considered vintage, or more than 7 years old is considered obsolete, so no spare parts available, don't worry, there is a solution. So I have two MacBook Pros, an early 2013 model and a 2017 model. Back in 2017 I had a screen flickering issue on my MacBook Pro 2013 model, so I took it to iCare at Central Festival and they said, cannot help, sorry, better to buy a new one. Yeah, right, was not having that, so I did some research and found Pattaya to You MacBook repair shop just near Tukkom, which is like the tech area in Pattaya. Long story short, they managed to fix the problem, but they had to replace the screen, but it was at a reasonable price. Most recent story is on my MacBook Pro 2017 model has suffered two swollen battery issue events. First incident was in 2021 when the bottom of the laptop case and mouse track pad just popped open, and this was due to battery swelling issues. The same thing happened again just 2 years later in late 2023. First time I got the battery on steroids problem fixed was in Apple store in Dubai by an official Apple service center. Second time I went to Apple iCare shop at Central Festival in Pattaya, only to be told they cannot help and no longer stock spare parts for that year and model of MacBook Pro. So off I went to Pattaya to You repair shop once more to see if they could help. Here is Pattaya to You computer service shop. So if you're looking to get your Apple MacBook Pro repaired just like me today, just dropped off my laptop here and not even need to put a deposit down, pretty cheap as well. I'll get into that in a little bit later, but just near Tukkom, opposite the big car park, which is for Tukkom over there. Yeah, but just situated here on the corner. Yeah, really good service and at the right price, which is important. Thoroughly recommend it. Now, a bit of a safety alert, these MacBook Pro batteries are lithium-ion type batteries, and should there be a problem of battery swelling to your MacBook Pro, you need to switch it off as soon as possible and get it repaired, as if you continue to use it, could be a problem. Some early signs would be your laptop does not sit flat on its feet on the desk, so watch out for those early signs. Okay, back to Pattaya to You repair shop. Sure enough, they were as helpful as ever, albeit I had not visited their shop for some time, like 2018, so like 6 years ago. I was actually glad to see that they were still there, considering the impact of COVID on some businesses in Thailand. So what was the cost? The MacBook Pro 2017 model battery replacement was at a cost of 4,600 baht, which is roughly 130 US dollars or 101 pounds GBP. Not bad, and just to give you some integrity on this price, I cross-checked it against iFixit website, which is like a do-it-yourself order center for MacBook spares, and you can see it is more or less the same price, except in that instance you have to do the labor yourself. So all in all, the Pattaya to You price is very good for the service they provide. At the same time, I thought, why not my MacBook Pro 2013 model battery get that replaced as well. Did a great job. That came in at a cost of 3,600 baht. So again, very reasonable price. So much for spare parts being obsolete as per Apple official website. Apple do make very good laptops and they do last a long time, so don't worry if the official repair centers cannot help. There is plenty other service providers out there that can help. Thanks to Pattaya to You repair shop, I now have two fully functional MacBook Pro laptops. The staff are very experienced and provide an excellent service, and are very helpful. They don't just repair Apple laptops, they can do other brands as well. If you're not sure where they are located, you can just search Pattaya to you on Google Maps and you will find their location. You can contact them online and have a brief dialogue and get a cost estimate before you visit the shop. Do all my correspondence in English, so that's a big plus as well. Okay, I hope you found this information helpful. We'll be back as usual with more gadget videos as well as some golf vlogs in the near future. Cheers for now, and we'll see you in the next one.